At a time when few frontline Su-30 squadrons are fully operational with the Astra Mark I missiles, Hindustan Aeronautics and Indian Air Force has now fast-tracked the hardware and software upgradation of remaining Su-30 squadrons, so that it can be equipped with the 110 km range Astra Mark I air-to-air missiles. The rate of integration was slow initially due to limited production run of the Astra Mark I, but now with the production in full swing, the entire Su-30 fleet will be armed with the Astra Mark I by end of 2023, and will completely replace the Russian Vympel R-77. The Astra Mark I will also be integrated into the Tejas Mark I-A Rafale aircraft, as production rate will peak in 2024. Private sector firm Bharat Forge has started talks to bid for being selected as the technology partner for the upcoming engine consortium company that will be in charge of the joint development of a new 120 to 130 kN class jet engine for India's AMCA Mark II program. The engine consortium company will be led by the Aeronautical Development Agency, Gas Turbine Research Establishment and Hindustan Aeronautics, and private sector companies will be part of the Tier 1 and Tier 2 supply chain of the engine components when it is under production. Bharat Forge is already making components for Rolls-Royce and Boeing, and has expertise in the development of materials, material transformation, forging, machining and assembly. The Indian Army has released a request for information for the procurement of 3,400 thermal imaging night sights and telescopic bracket assembly for 84mm Carl Gustav Mark III rocket launchers with latest technology parameters under Buy Indian category, so that the soldier can engage targets at maximum effective range in low visibility conditions. The delivery must begin in 6 months, and must be completed in 36 months from the day of signing of the contract. The Indian Air Force has launched a project to upgrade its decade-old Air Force Net, which is a satellite-based digital information grid owned and operated by the Air Force, that connects all of its ground, air and space assets for real-time data exchange to provide situational awareness. The project will be completed by the end of 2024 in collaboration with local industry, that will include upgrading and refurbishing the existing Earth stations, hubs and remote centers, strengthening of encryption systems, replacement of existing routers and cables, as well as establishing several new Earth stations in various parts of the country for relaying satellite signals. Lockheed Martin had formally recognized the TATA Lockheed Martin Aerostructures Limited facility in Hyderabad as a potential co-producer of F-16 wings in 2021, and as per latest reports, the TATA Lockheed facility has now been certified to make wings of F-16 fighter jets. The facility is spread over 21,000 square meters, and it can make 50 pairs of wings, which can also carry fuel, and has 12,000-hour lifespan, and is also capable to be interchanged on all F-16 fighters. The 26th edition of the Malabar 2022 multinational maritime exercise culminated in the seas of Japan, that witnessed weapon firings, surface anti-air and anti-submarine warfare drills and tactical procedures. The high-tempo exercise saw the participation of 11 surface ships, including a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier with its integral air elements, along with 4 long-range maritime patrol aircraft, integral helicopters and 2 submarines, which enabled all 4 navies to consolidate interoperability and hone their tactical skills.